Minnesota's economic growth is fueled by healthcare and life sciences. These high-paying jobs require a wide range of skills, innovative thinking, and a commitment to continuous learning. Your biggest challenge? Attracting and retaining productive employees who will drive your future success, help you keep pace with new technologies, compete in a changing environment, and maintain compliance in an era of tighter regulations. Develop your workforce for today and tomorrow. It's an affordable expense that may be enhanced with grants and other value-added services, all designed to increase your return on investment. Count on us, the Minnesota State Colleges and Universities. We're your partner for customized training and open enrollment courses designed just for your industry. Learn at the workplace, any day, any shift, in frontline care settings or out in the field. Come to campus and use our cutting-edge technology. Or train online anytime, from work or home. And don't forget general business, communications, and multicultural skills that make employees more adaptable and promotable. These are intangible skills with tangible impacts that set winning organizations apart from the competition. Healthcare and life sciences, two of Minnesota's premier industries, striving for growth in a changing environment.